Hello, I'm Danuta Mieloch. I'm the founder of Danucera, and tonight I'm going to show you how I use my products that I created to remove my makeup. As you can see, I have a full face of makeup, so I'm going to remove the makeup and do my evening routine. So, welcome. We start off with Danucera Cerabalm. It's a universal balm that takes off the makeup. It looks delicious. It's very active. So I'll take about this amount, apply to my hands, massage it in, and start removing makeup. Massaging into my skin, little circular movements. It removes the makeup as well, so I don't need to use a specific different makeup remover. It literally blends away. So I spend my time massaging. Every night I do a double cleanse. Especially for those who use makeup, sunscreen, it's an amazing thing to do. So spend time massaging in, emulsifying makeup. Then I'm going to use Danucera washcloth. It's a dual washcloth. So first I start with cotton side. And start removing. A washcloth helps you to remove your makeup and feel super clean. As you can see, a lot of makeup on my washcloth, and then I switch to use a muslin side, which is a softer. And voila, my first cleanse is done. Then I'm going to use Cerabalm and mix that with water for my second cleanse. So I'll add a few drops of water. And it creates beautiful milky cleanser, and do my second cleanse. Massaging in. Being very thorough. Always upward movements, going up, posing, up and posing. And then one can use another washcloth or use the same washcloth and then remove it. Voila, my skin is clean. So right after that, I'm going to use D22 tonic. It's an exfoliating toner. What it does, it helps to prep your skin, it helps to balance your skin. It's great for any skin type. So especially in the evening, I feel like I need an extra exfoliation. Few drops. I usually saturate first half. And start at your neck and going upwards. Lifting, tapping, firming, spending extra time. After you're done with one half of your face, you want to see the difference. You want to create a little lift. The toner is a little tingling. It's like a prep step before your serum and a moisturizer. Then you want to match with the second half. Always lifting. Not to forget about under the chin, your neck, even back of your hands. So then the next step, it's Mega Serum. This serum is super potent. It's packed with proteins, vitamins, nutrients. It's a great overall brightening, firming, lifting serum. It's great for any skin type. So I apply that to my hands and massage it in. It's one thing to have a product, but the next thing, how you put the product in. So you want to spend time massaging, pressing in, making sure the serum penetrates, and during the massage, all the nutrients are released. Your skin feels hydrated and plump. It's also a time for a little self-love. It's almost like meditative. So after serum, last step would be applying Cream Supreme. And this cream it basically seals all the moisture. So it's lifting, it's firming, it's densifying. We all need firmness. No matter how old you are, you want tighter pores, firmer skin, and lifted skin. So when I was formulating this product, I thought about all the benefits that anybody can use and anybody would love in a cream. So the same, you massage it in. You can use on your lips. You can even use it around the eyes. It doesn't have any fragrance. So first I apply with hands, and then I follow with a little roller, which is very relaxing. Lifting, smoothing, pumping, always finishing all your application around the ears. You can roll under the eyes, over, and lift. This roller comes with a cream, a great bonus. It's nice to spend time. You don't need to rush it. This little treatment, few steps, really provides comprehensive, total skincare routine packed with vitamins, proteins, peptides. You're ready for sleep, and your skin would love you. Thank you very much.